Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. The state-owned bus company, Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, is lamenting the increased expenditure on gas as petrol prices climb to an all-time high. On Wednesday, Petrojam announced that a litre of automotive diesel will cost $134.70, while a litre of ultra-low sulfur diesel will cost $139.32. That's the highest these prices have been in Jamaica's history. Corporate Communications Manager at JUTC, Cecil Toms, told the Business Day that the company has already started to feel the pinch.
Any adjustment in fuel cost will have an impact on our operation. Fuel is a commodity we rely on to roll out our buses. We can't do without it. And the price has been going up month over month. The sharpest increase we've had is in April and I believe in May since the start of this year. In April, we spent just over $191 million, while in May that figure rose to $212.
So what does this mean for commuters?
We provide a very vital service for those persons who we call most vulnerable. And it is not that we can increase the fares that we charge to them at this time. That would be so unfair. But somebody has to pay. Luckily for us, the government provides a subsidy for us. And we continue to make do with the resources that we have and use them wisely.
Global Money Transfer Services, Western Union, has submitted a patent for a new payment system powered by cryptocurrency. This is the latest sign that global payment providers are pivoting towards blockchain and cryptocurrency for security, liquidity, and faster transfers. Western Union's filing with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office was published yesterday in an abstract that describes a new method of increasing the security of economic payments. The patent, which was originally filed in December 2016, proposes a biometric verification system to ensure that senders authorize transactions. This form of verification requires fingerprint, voice sample, or retina scan. Crude futures for August delivery rose 86 cents today to settle at $73.80 a barrel. Oil prices settled higher despite data showing an increase in the number of U.S. oil rigs, signaling a potential expansion in domestic crude output. Now in currency trading, the U.S. dollar closed the day at $131.04. The Canadian dollar is going for $100.38. The pound is being sold for $173.73, while the euro is going for $153.11 on average. The JSE index gained 1,214 points today to close at more than 306,000 points. The junior index also gained by 8 points. Among the winners were Berger Paints, Carreras, Derrimont Trading, Grace Kennedy, Kingston Properties, Lascar Distributors, Mayberry Investments, Panjam Investments, and Radio Jamaica. Now on the losing side were AMG Packaging and Paper, C2W Music, Dolphin Cove, Elite Diagnostics, Fosrich, Jamaica Broilers, Kingston Wharves, Lascar Financial Services, and NCB Financial Group. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.